Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Jasmy video update today. And there's this technical target of Jasmy that hasn't been met, and I was expecting that if maybe Jasmy would like to go to the upside out there, that would be amazing. We previously saw that, told you before that this here is a stop loss that is going to be taken away. Not actually that, I think it was somewhere at this area. So yeah, a lot of stop losses were placed down here. So actually we took all the stop losses, and people got a little bit bearish, and then boom, we moved to the upside. I think this is Jasmy has been the most manipulated coin out there on Binance. I've personally tried to trade it some few times. When it was actually launched in the beginning on Binance out there, I realized that Jasmy was kind of good. Okay, the patterns were working out and everything else was good. But now for quite a long time, I've seen that things go in the opposite way of the logical technical analysis, because whenever you're doing a technical analysis on Jasmy, everything just goes down. Okay, so at the moment, 1 hour time frame has a little bit of an information, and that information I'm going to crack the code for you. So here we go. Taking the trend line, you look at the trend line doing something like this. Now you're losing a trend line here, and you do have an ascending broadening wedge on the 1 hour time frame at the moment. So pretty much I do believe you're having something like that, almost even like a rising wedge right there. So I do believe that you might be looking to come down here, but first we're going to go back for the retest again, get rejected at the retest, and then probably fall even down. There's one place that Jasmy hasn't really touched, and it's an untouched zone. The zone is actually down here at this trend line. Okay, ever since you broke out there, you haven't come down to that trend line. Okay, you've just been making some funny moves to the upside, and the technical target for this pattern actually is up here, but the thing is that you haven't touched this line, so that's why I say manipulation at best. So it's really hard to navigate and tell you if Jasmy wants to go up there, because you do have a target right there, but unfortunately you also don't have a retest down here, which also makes sense to come down and have a retest, maybe even fail and go down, who knows. So that's the 1 hour time frame that I'm looking at. And what about the weekly time frame? The weekly does look good for Bitcoin, but still we are at some certain resistance. So right now all you have on the weekly is one nice good morning star at the moment. So let's see if this morning star is going to happen, and it's going to be looking good for Jasmy. Maybe this week just retrace down, hold this retest, spend some time there, and then next week start to go to the upside. But what I can say is keep an eye on the 1 hour time frame zone, because that's a little bit of a negative pattern going on. So that's it for this quick update on Jasmy. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.